18 weeks of winning. 'Di ba? Parang para saan pa? For what yung mga pinagdaanan natin? For what yung 18 weeks na tayo ay nandito kung in the first place wala naman pala tayong balak lumaban? It means na nandito kayo, 3-week lectures, at the end of 18 weeks, at the end of the lectures for batch 48, it means that you have the fighting spirit of you. Because really, why attempt to even reach the end? Why attempt even to exert an effort if in the first place you have no goal in mind? The fact na nandito kayo is already proof that you are bound for something greater. You are here, present and active for a reason. You are here because you have your own reasons. You faced your fears even as doubts arose. You persevered because you have a purpose. Now, gusto kong sabihin that when you are losing the steam to push more, remember your purpose. Remember what matters. Kung ano man ang binalak natin nung tayo ay nagumpisa, kung ano man ang gusto nating marating nung tayo ay nagumpisa, ipaalala natin palagi sa ating sarili kung ano man iyon. Kung ano man ang reason natin why we are here. Kung ano man ang purpose natin, why we toiled so hard, why we exerted efforts, why we missed a lot of life events. Kung bakit nagpakasubsob tayo sa mga libro, alalahanin natin yun. It is when you are nearest the finish line, when the temptation is the greatest. Gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, mga mare ko, na you are a CPA. Perfected, consummated, absolute, valid. No one can take that away from you. You are a CPA, due and demandable. You are a CPA unconditional, never prescribing. You are a CPA period. And that's already final. That's already executory. That's already unappealable. Whatever they say, you will become a CPA. You are a CPA, the fact na kayo ay nakarating dito at nakatapos ng pre-week lectures. Ang dami nyo na napatunayan. What makes you think na hindi nyo kayang lagpasan ang CPA licensure examination? Yes, mahirap ang CPA licensure examination. And the thing is, pinaghirapan nyo ito. Pinaghirapan yung makarating dito at sa paghihirap nyo makarating dito, wala kayong malalagpasang. Wala kayong hindi malalagpasang mahirap. Yan ang mangyayari sa inyo. You are a CPA. Due and demandable, unconditional, never prescribing, final, executory, and unappealable. This is your last pre-week lecture. Congratulations, everyone. Up next, of course, sa ating susunod na pagkikita. Up next, mga ate ko. Next, that would be your CPA licensure examination and testimonial dinner. See you sa testimonial dinner. See you sa inyong oath-taking, mga madam. Maraming salamat for being here for the past 5 hours and 12 minutes. Thank you for being here for the past 18 weeks and the pre-week lectures. It's been our pleasure, syempre, to serve you dito sa Review School of Accountancy. And we hope to see you sa testimonial dinner. We hope to see you sa oath-taking. We hope to see you fulfill your dreams. Makapag-ambag sa pamilya, makuha ang buhay na gusto, maging meaningful member of our society, maging tapat at magaling na certified public accountants. Congratulations! Ngayon pa lang, kayang-kaya ninyo ang CPA licensure examinations next week. Next week, CPALE. Next month, CPA. And of course, that would be a lifetime of success. Maraming salamat, guys!